Are you kidding, Mommy? Are you kidding Mommy's hands? Why are you such a mean Papillon? What did Mommy do to you? And then what did she do? And Finnegan, what do you think of all of this? Oh, Finnegans. Are you boxing like Tyson? Are you boxing like Tyson? Biting me. Oh, grommet.